tooting. He says, oh, he cannot wait. He's on his way right now. He wants to be first in the queue. He can't resist a great shop up. The number is 0800 731 2000. If you are a retailer, if you own a shop, let us know what you're doing to keep people safe. Let us know how it's going to be organised in your particular shop. If you're going shopping today, there are going to be some changes, obviously. And our reporter Barry Caffrey is on Oxford Street to tell us how it's all looking there this morning. Hi Barry, what's going on? What does it look like? Does it look different?
Good morning, Vanessa. Well, it is a quiet Oxford Street, I have to say. I've walked as far as Oxford Circus up towards Martin Larch. It does seem to be quite quiet, but you can definitely get a sense that the shops are beginning to reopen. I'm very close to the Primark. I wouldn't say there's a long queue outside, Vanessa. However, there are probably about 10 or 15 people outside waiting for Primark to open. Now, some of the shops along here are not going to open today. The Debenhams, for example, there are people outside, workmen, they're getting the windows ready, but Debenhams won't open until Wednesday. John Lewis as well is only opening its Kingston branch today, but the main John Lewis on Oxford Street won't actually open yet. Selfridges, where I hope to be a little bit later, is planning on opening this morning. They're going to open at 11 o'clock. But as you mentioned in the introduction, lots of massive changes for these stores. You can actually see along Oxford Street now, we've got these printed signs outside the shops, making sure that people respect the 2-metre social distancing, I suppose, in order if they're going to be queuing to get in later. It'll be interesting to see how that will work. But I think too, inside the shops, it'll be interesting once I go into Selfridges later, because the tills will completely change. There's going to be plastic screens, there's going to be signing everywhere, a lot of the fitting rooms won't be available to people, so I think it will be a different shopping experience. It's really great weather here today this morning, Vanessa. The sun is shining and it's very warm. It will be interesting to see whether more people